Okay, so in the previous video we discussed how we can get hard drives from old laptops. Now I have a variety of hard drives here in front of us, some that come from different places. This one is one that we took out of the laptop discussed in the previous video. So you can see here it's 250 gigabytes, which is quite a large hard drive. And now that hard drive would be very good to be used externally to basically store large amounts of data. Now you can also get these hard drives from other places like old consoles. For instance, this one's out of an old PlayStation 3 and you can see that this is 40 gigabytes. Not as large as the one that came out of the old laptop, but again it's still useful, a lot larger than the standard USB that you would get. And here is a more modern solid state hard drive, which is an SSD, so as you can see, solid state drive. And this one would actually run quite a bit faster than these older version hard drives, but it also stores 250 gigabytes. Now I'd suggest just harvesting one from an old laptop or an old console that you've lying around the place. And then all you have to do is go on to eBay or Amazon and you can buy this old shell. So if you look up hard drive shell, external shell, you can buy something like this for a few euros. It's quite light, bit of plastic, has two screws on here on either end, and when you've them taken out you can actually remove the top end, and this is basically the brains of the operation. This is what allows you to reuse these hard drives as external hard drives that can just plug in using a USB to USB into your computer, and you can basically use it then as an external storage device. So for the case of this one, we're going to use the hard drive that we got out of that laptop that I took apart. We're going to line up the pins here with the pins inside here, and we're just going to push it into it like so. It goes in about that far, and then I can just drop it directly back into the box, slip it back on, and I can put my two screws on either end. And when you plug it into your computer, you can actually use it then as an external hard drive. Then our final step is just to go into our files on our laptop, plug in our new hard drive, and in your devices and drivers or drives, it should identify a new drive here. My one is this one here. As you can see, there's already 331 gigabytes in it. What you can do is right click on it and you can go to format. And what will happen is it will clear that the drive itself after you've identified some information. The capacity will automatically pick it up. You'll leave this at default, You'll just name the device whatever you want to call it. So maybe you call it upcycled hard drive, and then press start, and then it should format that whole hard drive so that you can then use it as a storage device that you can plug in and out of different computers and laptops.